Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's tap on the display and find the wallpaper. As you can see, now we can choose wallpaper from gallery, live wallpapers, photos or regular wallpapers. So let me pick, for example, live wallpapers. And in order to check how it will look like, simply tap on it, for example this one. And now if you are ready with your choice, then simply tap on Set Wallpaper. Now let's get back to homepage, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.